Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can cancel an N8n subscription, so let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official N8n website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since you'll be handling account-related tasks. On the home page, click the Sign In option in the top right corner. Enter your login details to access your account. Once signed in, navigate to the admin panel. This is your central hub for managing subscriptions and account settings. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your dashboard, subscription details, and various account options. Now, look for the option to manage or cancel subscription. The wording might vary depending on updates, but it will be in the subscription management section. Click it to start the cancellation process. Carefully read any on-screen messages as they may include important details, such as what happens after cancellation or whether you have the option to pause instead of canceling. If you're on a free trial, you don't need to cancel manually. N8n automatically ends free trials when they expire, and any trial data is deleted so you won't be billed unexpectedly. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription or confirmed that your trial will expire on its own. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact N8n customer support for assistance. They're always ready to help. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.